Hi, and welcome to Mountain Aromatics. I thought I would do 2 sandalwoods that I really enjoy. I'm telling you, in my opinion, these you need to have. 2 things about them that I really like. Number 1, the price. So these are aroma chemicals. The price is really amazing. And number 2, they are great representation of sandalwood. So I'm going to go over both of them. The first one I have is Sandaliff. Sandaliff. It is 48 hours on the test strip. They're both bases. This one has a little bit more, you know how sandalwood typically is a little bit creamy? This one has a little bit of the creaminess to it. Incredibly clean. It's just super clean. To me, it smells like sandalwood. It just does. It's not too sweet. Sometimes sandalwood can be a little sweet, not candy sweet, but can be a little bit sweet. And this isn't that sweet. This is not dry. Like you smell the dryness. This is not that at all. Not at all. Very clean, great sandalwood with a little creaminess. Now this one is Mysantol, Mysantol. It's by IFF. The average use is 20%. It is a base. It's at 72 hours. And this one is even a little cleaner, a little brighter, minus the creaminess. And I'm telling you, in the background, I detect a little bit of floral. And I can't tell you, it doesn't give like a specific floral. It's some type of generic floral, beautiful in the background. Yeah, just really super clean. This one is more aromatic and diffusive, so lighter. I love them both. So you could absolutely put the 2 together and come up with even not necessarily a better sandalwood, but I don't. To me, I guess I would say a better sandalwood, a better representation of sandalwood, or I don't know what I want to say, but you definitely could combine the 2. So I think most of your other sandalwoods are going to last 400 hours. It's very typical of the other types of sandalwoods that are out there. So anyway, the only one that, to me, my opinion, the one that is just out and separate from its own, that smells like mushrooms, is the sandalwood olfactory. If you like the smell of mushrooms, that's where you should go. This is not that at all. And to me, all the other sandalwoods, aroma chemicals that are out there do not have the mushroom smell either. But some people, that's what you want. However, these 2 are very economical and smell amazing and really can help you go when you need kind of a lighter sandalwood instead of a really heavy sandalwood. Both of these fit the bill for that. That's it. It's not a really heavy sandalwood. These are a little bit lighter sandalwood. Like I said, this one is the misanthol is very diffusive and aromatic, so it's even lighter. So if you really want a light sandalwood that's not overpowering at all, this is a great one. And then this one just has a little bit of that creaminess in it. I made this video because I love it. This is, again, another one of those videos that I wish I'd had back in the day. Like, what are your favorite sandalwoods? These two I absolutely love. It doesn't mean I don't love Javanol. I absolutely love Javanol, and it absolutely has its place. It just is pretty expensive. So I want to do, and I've done a video on that, but I wanted to do sometimes alternatives, and these are two amazing alternatives. Like, you cannot go wrong with these two. They're absolutely amazing and really, really affordable. So I hope that is helpful, and I will see you on the next Mountain Aromatics. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. I will see you on the next Mountain Aromatics.